Walking to the top of the fort. Just so cool. Good. The eating areas for the guests. Oh, no. Huge. And what a beautiful city. They have just maintained it so elegantly. It's so astonishing. Far behind and it's so stunning. Oh, beautiful towers. Beautiful.